Hey guys, it's Sandy coming at you with another video. Okay. In this video, I'm going to be mixing super random things into slime and we're gonna see what happens. So for this particular brand of bar soap called Ivory, it actually has a lot of air packed inside, so when heat is applied, it expands. It's the coolest thing ever. I'll leave a link down below about information on why this happens, like the science behind it if you're interested. Also, if you're going to attempt this, make sure that you use a heat-safe bowl. You only want to microwave this for about 1 to 1.5 minutes max. Only do this with Ivory soap. If you do this with other brands of bar soap, this is not funny, okay? You're gonna burn down your house and break down your microwave, and it's just not a pretty situation, so please do not do it. After time's up, I take it out of the microwave and this is what you should get. It looks like clouds. It's so cool. So I mixed my slime into it. First thing that I noticed is it definitely got less stretchy and then it started to get more clumpy and just not resembling slime anymore. So I wanted to see what it would do if I were to mix with a different type of slime, phloem specifically. Essentially the same thing happened, it just turns clumpy and not stretchy and just not slime anymore. But wait, you can actually reuse the soap, so don't throw it away. The next random thing that I'm going to be adding into slime is paraffin wax, and what you're looking at is a paraffin wax bath. It melts down the wax for you and it keeps it from turning back to solid, so it keeps it warm. You can get the treatment done at a nail salon or a spa, or you can just do it yourself at home. It's much cheaper. And one of the main benefits is it helps moisturize really rough, dry skin. Also, the heat that is generated from the wax can actually help soothe pain, so this is great especially for people with arthritis around their hands or their feet. If you have any family members, friends, or even yourself, and you just have like a long, exhausting day at work, highly recommend this treatment. So basically what you do is just you dip your hands or your feet into the bath and then you quickly take it out and you'll see that it'll harden on your fingers or wherever your hand touched into the melted wax. And you just want to keep doing that back and forth about 10 times usually, and then you let it sit for about 20 minutes. It comes off really easily. Let me just quickly explain the difference between this and regular candle wax. You do not want to do this with regular candle wax because you're gonna burn your skin, okay honey? Paraffin wax actually has a lower melting point, so that's why it's safe to come in contact with your skin. I do want to mention something important. If you have poor blood circulation, you're diabetic, you have any rashes or open sores on your skin, please do not do the paraffin wax treatment. So my first attempt at this is just to mix little bits of the melted wax onto the slime. It didn't really make a dramatic difference. All I felt was just like little chunks of the slime here and there. So what I decided to do was pour the entire slime into a bowl of the melted wax, and this is really when it made a difference. So according to my observation, I noticed that it melted down the slime a little bit, but not that much. It was easily fixable with activator, and after adding my activator, I noticed it got fluffy. It was just really cool. I feel like this is what candle slime would feel like. I want to see what would happen if I let the wax harden with the slime. There was not much of a difference, I just felt chunks of the bar soap here and there. Last but not least, the final random thing that I'm going to be adding into slime is deodorant, and surprisingly this was cheaper than the smaller size ones. It really melts down your slime. It was really sticky and it just turned out really messy. Are you guys like this too? When you touch sticky slime, you get it all over your hands, but you have to activate it, but you don't want to touch your borax bottle or however you store your borax or activators, and then everything you touch gets messy. It's just an overall mess and it's just yeah, me too. But I made it through. I survived. And of course, shout out to my early fam, you guys are amazing. If you guys want a shout out, just turn on the bell and that will let you know when I upload a new video. Comment down below, early squad or notification squad. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!